Later.
Cheese!
Cheese?
Oh, I do like a bit of gorgonzola.
Oh dear.
Meanwhile.
Now, let's
Coming
see.
through!
The tombolas arrive, and the bouncy Tottington Hall. Splendid! Oh, it's going to be such a jolly competition tonight. I just know it.
You don't know nothing. The beast has struck again, that's what.
Beast is in captivity.
Then just take a look at my wife's brassicas, ravaged in the night.
Auntie Pesto told me.
Pack of lies!
It's not safe to bring our vegetables here. The show's off.
But this is simply dreadful news. The Tottingtons have held a giant vegetable competition on this very night for over 500 years.
That's right. Not even the Great Duck Plague of 53 stopped it.
If only there were another way.
What-ho!
There he is.
Heard you had a spot of rabbit bother.